Hey guys, what's up? Back again with me. So today I want to make a video. This is not my video. It's other YouTuber, and I'm really sorry that video because I cannot cook omelette. So today, yeah, the topic today is how to make an omelette. So before we go on, be sure you leave a like, subscribe it, and hit that notification bell. You won't miss when I upload. So yeah, here we goes. See ya. So this is the omelette that I use this video. So in this video uh, that this video is using ham, but in Muslim you don't use ham. So the first thing you do is you cut ham in like piece by piece, but in the region that I used to, I it's haram. I in after I using ham. So basically, if I that video I use beef. So yeah, we got a ham, and then in this video that is have three eggs, and then yeah. After that, after you done the egg, you can use water if you want to the bigger egg. After water it, and you shake it until like white. After that, and then wait a minute. Okay, I will pause it. Okay, so why I have to pause it, because you have to fast it, and then after you done the egg, you put the oil in it, and then after that you put in butter in it. So you the like that, and then if you want to make omelette fast, you have to you have to wait until the butter is like brownish. After you brownish, and then you put the egg in the fry pan. So the tip for this video is, if you if you done the thing is like the where it cook, you do like that, and then after you do like that, and then repeat it again until the liquid is no in there. So after you look like this, and then if you want not to your egg got stuck in the fry pan, you have to shake it. Why? Because yeah, I told you that if you don't want to stuck the egg in your pan. So after you done the the shaking part, you have to flip it. In this video, it fell flip because the the texture, I mean the egg won't like get cross, and then after you got the flip in it, put cheese. I like cheese because yeah, it's really good for your health, and then ham. Why in that video ham not cooked? Because the ham is will be melt by cheese, and then you turn it side by side, and then close it, and the result look like this. And oh yeah, by the way, in that video using the hash brown, I like hash brown too. Comment the video if you have like hash brown. So the result look like that. Oh my god, I'm right now, I'm really fasting. Really want to eat that. So yeah, the result look like that. And you if you want to use here's another cheese you put on top of it, and then you put bacon. I mean the ham in that video. So yeah, basically that's it. And I hope you like it. And be sure you do subscribe it, please. I need money. So thank you guys. Thanks.